today's an update day, so yeah, there's new horses. Wait. Oh, Ducky logged off, okay. Okay. And they also have a peacock and an owl. I was right about the peacock. Okay. Yes. Oh. Okay. This doesn't look like a peacock. Okay. Oh, it says it's a seagull. What? Where's the owl? No, seriously, where's the owl? What the? I don't know where the owl is. Oh, it's right here. Honestly, I like the blue one more than the pink one now. I don't know why, but I do. Okay, I'm naming this one Sapphire Face. Okay, I'm naming this one Amethyst Feather. Okay. I need to actually match. So, I mean, yeah, don't ask why I have 5 of the same saddle pad, by the way. I don't know myself. Alright? I don't know why. It's just, I don't know. I don't have any owls because I didn't get the owl from Farrah because I don't do it. So yeah, now I finally have an owl. The owl's wings are like broken though. So that's the thing I don't like about them. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna keep it in the saddlebag. Yeah, like it's fine in the saddlebag, but not like out of the... Owls do not fly like that, okay? No. No. Yeah, I like the coat. Like the normal coat too. But not as much as the other one. Like the pink one's normal coat. Yeah, I like this one more. Like this like the normal coat. Like, I like this one more than the blue one. So these horses are probably just gonna be sitting in my stable because I'm not gonna be riding them because I'm just gonna be riding Aurora. I'm probably gonna go on Aurora later. Like, not even... Like, within an hour, for sure. Because... yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do my jury training on this horse. Okay, so that's the end of this video. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.